Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are 30 butterflies overlays available in window format. You just need to extract this, and here these are 30 overlays in PNG format. It's look like JPG but it's PNG. High quality PNG photos. These are 30s. The downloading link is in the description. You can download it from there. You can download it from the link in the description. Just click on this link and you will come to this website, BulkGFX. This is my website and I provide graphic templates for free here, and you just need to click here download now. These are no password WinRAR files. Just download it from here, download anyway, and this file is gonna start downloading. Just click start download. So I hope this data is quite useful for you. If you like, I hope this data is quite useful. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video, and take care.